everybody, this is Aaron Boley, and we are going to do Brocade number 6 today of our 8 Brocades of Qigong. This one is called Cat Gazes at the Moon, and it's a good one. So we're going to stand with our feet just slightly wider than shoulder width. And for this one, we're going to place our palms on our thighs, fingers facing in, and we're going to push our knees out. You want to be sure to always push your knees out on this one. The tendency is that the knees might collapse, so we want to be sure to push them out so you can use the palms to do that. So for this one, we're going to breathe in. We're going to tuck our chin and tailbone, so we're making a C shape with our spine. Then we're going to arch our spine, look up, and breathe out. Good. Breathe in and tuck. Push those knees out, then arch, look up, and breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Breathe in, tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Good. Breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Good. Breathe in and tuck. This time you're going to flatten your back. Then you're going to drop your left shoulder, look over your right, twisting, and breathe out. Good. Back to center. Breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. So flatten the back to neutral. Drop your right shoulder, look over left, and breathe out. Back to center. Breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Flatten the back, drop your left shoulder, look over right, twist, breathe out. Back to center, breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Good, breathe in and tuck. Flatten, drop right shoulder, look over left, twist, breathe out. Back to center, breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Good. Breathe in and tuck. Flatten the back, drop the left shoulder, looking over right, breathe out. Back to center, breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Flatten, drop right, look over left, breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Flatten the back, drop the left shoulder, twist, breathe out. Back to center, breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Flatten the back, drop right shoulder, look over left, breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Good, one more on both sides. Breathe in and tuck. Flatten the back, drop left shoulder, look over right, breathe out. Back to center, breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Flatten the back, drop the right shoulder, look over left, breathe out. Breathe in and tuck. Arch, look up, and breathe out. Good, this time we're going to breathe in and tuck. Then we're going to keep our chin tucked and slowly straighten the legs as we breathe out. Then slowly straighten the spine, lengthening vertebrae by vertebrae. Releasing the hands, and neck and chin are the last thing to come up. Good, so let's walk our feet in. Heels, toes, heels, toes. Deep breath in and gather. Exhale, sun. And that's Cat Gazes at the Moon. Enjoy.